Hello and welcome to Retro Bike Stubble. We've moved slightly from where we normally are over there just because the sun is in the way and I'm casting a shadow over the bike, so it's quite hard to see the detail that I want to show. Honda CB400SS, very difficult for us to get in nowadays. All the ones that have been brought in are predominantly from us. There might be one or two that have imported them from Japan privately. This is a bike that was previously sold by us as well and traded back in, so we know the full history of the bikes. Which is the best way to buy a bike from a dealership is that they know the full history of the bike, so the previous owner we know. The retro look, same with the teardrop tank, and you get the kind of modern-ish technology. Kind of the last of the carb bikes, which is the best carbs obviously, and really nice. Everything, no electric throttle, anything like that, which can be quite not something that's particularly attractive, especially for beginner riders. You get a lot more feel through the throttle by cable than you would the throttle by just electric.